Okay, in this video we're going to show you how to glue on the reducing coupler. Now you do this right after you get done putting on your last part of the aquifer pipe, and this is called the front end of the aquifer pipe. Now here are the parts you're going to need. You're going to need the reducer coupler. This is a 3" to 1.5" reducer coupler. The other thing you're going to need is an expander, and of course the aquifer pipe. The expander is used to push the walls of the aquifer pipe up against the reducer. If you see here, the aquifer pipe has a tendency to bow in. So we use the expander to push it out up against the wall of the reducer when we're gluing it. The other purpose of the expander is to keep dirt from going into the system. Okay, now let's glue this all together. One thing to know is that this expander is styrofoam. So that means that if any glue gets on it, it will melt it. The glue will melt the styrofoam. So because of that, right here we're just gluing the bottom portion of the reducer coupler. We're making a half moon. And right here, we're putting glue on just the bottom portion of the aquifer pipe. Do not put it in the channel. Now we put them both together, and then we push the expander in. Okay, and the next thing to do now is to level the aquifer pipe to the header. So look for that video, and we'll see you there.